Hello children, today we will do question number 4th of exercise 11.2. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter which is inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Right? So first of all we have to draw a circle of radius 5. So first measure 5 from ruler like this. Okay, and draw a circle of radius 5. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter like this. राइट ये सर्कल आपका 5 सेंटीमीटर का बन गया. देन ड्रॉ एनी रेडियस इन दिस सर्कल. सी any radius you can draw like this. Then with this O as center, draw an angle of 120 degree. With suitable compass, with O as center, draw an arc like this. Right? Then this is your 60 degree angle arc and this is your 120 degree angle. You have to draw an angle of 120 degree. Why? Because angle between the tangents is 60 degree. And the angle between the tangents and this angle between the radii, both angles are supplementary to each other, right? So you have to subtract 60 degree from 180, right? And then name this point as A and B. Then with A as center, draw an angle of 90 degree and B as center, draw an angle of 90 degree. See, with B as center, draw an angle of 90 degree like this. First you draw an arc like this, right? With this as center, 60 degree arc, with this as center, 120 degree. Then again with this 60 degree arc, draw an arc like this, and with 120, draw an arc like this. Right, and join B to this point of intersection. B to this point of intersection. Adjust the ruler and draw the line like this. This is 90 degree. In a similar manner, you have to draw an angle of 90 degree with A as center. Again same procedure. With A as center, draw an arc like this. Then with this as center, 60 degree arc. Then this as center, 120 degree as center, another arc. Then 120 degree, so another. Then join them. This point and this. Okay. Join like this. Now see, this central angle 120 degree, this is 90 degree and this is 90, because radius and tangent relation between them is right angle. Similar here. And when we proceed these lines, this 90 degree, okay, then they meet somewhere else. Say they meet at, suppose they meet at a point, name it as P. Now see, PA and PB are the required tangents drawn to the given circle, and the angle between them is 60 degree automatically. Why? Because these two are supplementary to each other. Now see this quadrilateral OAPB. sum of these 180 degree, so automatically sum of these two angle will be 180, right? So PA and PB are the required tangents drawn to the given circle. Thank you.